Alrighty, so I can't imagine anything that could go wrong here. Alright, I need to get this car moved. So it's in the way of trying to get the shop built here. So we're coming out all the way out to here with the overhang. So this is in the way. And for some reason, no one wants to buy it. So none of that worked, so we got to think of something else here. Seems to be lifting it okay, just, I don't know, I need to get something underneath the front. Well, my dolly idea was like a total fail. It didn't really work at all. But, I mean, at least we got it from over there. Got that area cleaned out over there. So, I'm trying to set it over here somewhere and maybe get some bricks to put it up on. But this thing is a pain. I didn't think it was going to be this heavy. Try this again, but this time maybe I can get it further underneath there. There we go. That might work. All right, so you can't lift it by the wing. Figured that out the hard way. I need to go up to the construction site and steal a couple bricks. The one I put on the other side cracked in half, so I gotta go grab a couple up here. No. Oh. What the dolly didn't make it. That's a new type of dolly. I mean, it still rolls, but it's got a perfect bend to it now. Let me go put this. Oh, I think I cracked the welds too. What the heck? Oh man, bent it really bad there. Hopefully someone still wants to buy this. I'll discount like 5% of what I was originally asking, so I don't want 1,000 for it anymore, maybe like 900 bucks. So if anybody needs it, hit me up, and yeah, I'll help you load it with the with this. It's a good setup to load things onto a trailer, so don't worry about it. All right, so this area is all cleaned up and ready to start work. So what we're gonna do is there's gonna be like an actual overhang here, kind of like a porch area. So I needed the car moved because I'm coming out here with a 4x4. So I'm gonna use a 4x4 like right here, mount it to the concrete, and then go across to that framing there. And that way I can have, you know, like a kind of like a covered porch right in front of the garage door. So which will be nice because, for an example, this garage door here has no overhang, okay? So when it rains, the rain hits the bottom of the door and goes right in. So sometimes I get water that comes in here, you know, right up to about this area. So I'm trying to kind of avoid that. And it's also gonna be kind of nice to have a little overhang porch. So if it's all the way out to here, it's really not gonna get wet up against the garage door. So anyway, yeah, I also got some headers up. These two headers here are going to be for the trusses to hook to. I'm just going to use some basic, you know, hangers. Right now, I'm just making that truss there as like a template. I'm kind of making one of them, and then I'm going to take it down and then use it as a template to make all of them. So I'm going to need like 12 trusses. So they shouldn't be too bad. I should be able to get them up there with me and a friend. They're not too heavy, so you know, they are 20 feet, but they're real thin, so there's not a lot to them, and I think I can handle it. So yeah, that's a little shop update. That's just there to kind of stabilize the wall. That's coming down, but yeah, like we'll have a door over here. I'm gonna cut a door here. I think I mentioned that in a couple videos ago, but I'm gonna cut a door into here, like a really big, large door, and you know, kind of make it so you can just walk right through it. Maybe get some of those, you know, those plastic things they use in like meat coolers. It's like, I don't know what you call them. They're just like plastic things that hang down, and you can walk right through them. So that'll be kind of in this area here. And then I can take a lot of this stuff, like my sandblaster and the press and all that, and I can move it into that garage. Get rid of all this stuff here, and yeah, give me a lot more room. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tearing up that car. Whistlindiesel would have done a lot better job than that, but you know, I had to get it moved. So anyway, that's gonna do it. Check you all later.